The age of the machines is definitely upon us, but do not fear. These machines aren't coming to destroy us like the Terminator. No, but they are here to help make our lives better, and now artificial intelligence is being integrated into mega construction projects. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how AI is transforming the construction industry in the world right now. Want to know how artificial intelligence is being integrated into mega construction projects? Then stick around till the end of this video. Let's get into it. One of the biggest industries in the world is construction. Around 7% of the global labor force is employed in this important area of the global economy. Construction corporations spend close to $10 trillion annually, according to research from the McKinsey Global Institute. This gives one an idea of the size of the industry. Artificial intelligence can be and is now being used in construction management to address the labor shortage that exists in this sector. Humans have been building shelters and homes for millennia. The construction industry has evolved from building simple houses out of the mud to skyscrapers. This apparent structural change is due to improved planning and design methods. The AI-based Building Information Modeling, or BIM, process has helped architects, engineers, and construction professionals make 3D model designs to plan efficiently, design, build, and repair buildings and infrastructure more effectively. When it comes to the potential application of AI in construction, the possibilities are endless. It can act as an intelligent assistant that never gets tired and rarely makes mistakes. There are some applications of artificial intelligence that play an important role in the construction industry. Use of virtual reality in construction. One of the best applications of cutting-edge technology in the construction industry is virtual reality, or VR. The builders are able to provide a thorough virtual tour of their new house even before work has started, thanks to virtual reality. Even before it is built, every member of the family can virtually tour their future house. Clients will benefit from having a clear vision for their home, and engineers will be helped to design the building and make the required adjustments to suit the client's wants. Overall, consumer happiness and experience will benefit from it. Estimation of the soil moisture. You are aware that by doing several tests in the lab, we can determine the amount of moisture present in a certain soil sample. What happens though when we need to measure or monitor the soil's moisture content across a wider area? With the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the moisture content of the soil can be assessed with the help of remotely accessible sensor data or even satellite image data with greater accuracy. 3D printing. Technological advancements are making every task easier and better. One of the advanced technologies, 3D printing, helps us to build structures precisely in less time, with less labor, expense, and with less waste. The way that architectural plans are presented is evolving due to 3D modeling. Architects and designers can now be more creative and experimental because of 3D modeling. The construction companies are also becoming aware of the possibilities of AI and 3D printing, as well as how they will affect the future of the sector. Scheduling. In projects, artificial neural networks and AI can be used to forecast cost overruns depending on variables including project size, contract type, and project manager skill level. Artificial intelligence can assist in developing realistic project timetables for the future and avoid construction delays by being used in scheduling construction projects. Better building design. Over the last 10 to 15 years, the construction industry's job sites have undergone a massive transformation, shifting from a paper-based workflow to a fully digital workflow. The drawings, which were previously drawn manually on sheets in 2D, are now drawn digitally in 3D using the software. Building Information Modeling, that's BIM, a 3D modeling-based method, gives construction engineering and architectural professionals the knowledge they need to efficiently plan, design, build, and maintain infrastructure. There is currently software available that employs various machine learning algorithms to provide variations of solutions and offer other designs. Risk mitigation. Construction projects have an increased level of risk as they grow in scale. The project team may concentrate their resources on the main risk issues thanks to the usage of AI-powered monitors by certain general contractors today to prioritize risk on the job site. Automatic issue prioritization is done with AI. By assigning subcontractors a risk score, construction managers can collaborate closely with high-risk teams to reduce risk. Big data. AI systems are exposed to a limitless stream of data at a time when enormous volumes are being created daily, allowing them to continuously learn from it and get better. A body of knowledge has developed from data gathered from mobile device photos, drone recordings, security sensors, building information modeling, and other sources. Big data analysis in construction is aided by AI. Now, what would be the future of AI in the construction industry? Due to its possibilities, AI in construction has a bright future. Around the world, several industries are implementing artificial intelligence. AI has a significant impact on building planning as well. Construction sites will change as a result of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The largest building contractor in India, Larsen & Toubro, recently built the nation's first two-story 3D printed structure. In order to fulfill industry demand, the construction business has to hire more than 4 lakh workers annually, according to a survey by Arcadis, a renowned design and consultancy organization. The building industry will become more dependent on AI and machine learning if demand is not met. This will soon be able to take the place of people not only in office and design work, but also in building sites. Many industry professionals in the construction business believe that AI and machine learning will render the industry human-free by displacing employees with cutting-edge machinery. I hope this video has increased your understanding of AI technology in the building industry. Now, what do you expect from AI in the construction industry? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.